What's up, everybody? Welcome to Worship Wednesday. I'm actually about to head out, but I was like, let me post a worship vlog real quick. I just wanted to encourage my fellow worship leaders, worship team members, those serving in worship ministry and music ministry, just the need, necessity for preparation, just taking that time to prepare yourself mentally for ministry, for what you're about to do. I feel like we're ministers, we're ministering through music, and so it's essential that we take that time to prepare and mentally get focused for what we are about to do. We're serving people, we're serving and encouraging others through song, and so just the need, necessity for preparation. Even on Sunday mornings, I know there's times where you may not have time to prepare, but if there is that time, just taking time out to throughout the week, just to get your song list together, pray about the song selection. Lord, what do your people need to hear this Sunday? What are we able to, what do I need to, how do I need to minister this song? Just be prayerful about song selection, prayerful in, Lord, how can we minister this song effectively where your people will be encouraged and your people will be blessed. So just a reminder, something that we all know, but as I'm sitting here preparing to go minister, I was like, well, maybe I should just share on that and just the need necessity of it. Just taking time to turn off the phone, turn off the TV, and just be still and just meditate on what is about to take place. Meditate on the songs, even scriptures that will go along with the song that can help with the ministry process, or even exhortation, just finding scriptures that are in line with the songs. You can never go wrong with scripture. So yeah, just adding that a part of your preparation time, studying what is the root and foundation of the songs that we're about to minister. So I hope you be encouraged. I'm about to go out and minister, and I know sometimes I just have to still just get quiet and just even prepare my heart and my mind. And even as I'm thinking about that now, I'm thinking about the song, Lord, prepare me to be a sanctuary, pure and holy, tried and true, and with thanksgiving I'll be a living sanctuary, Lord, for you. As we're preparing to minister, let that be our prayer today, that God will prepare us, that we will be simply vessels for God to use while we're ministering. So I love you all. I pray that you be encouraged. Keep doing what you know God has called you to do. And hopefully I will see you next Wednesday, Worship Wednesdays.